Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our morning announcements at this time. Today is, if it'll move. Today is the 7th of December, 2018. Our weather today, we're looking at a high of 28 degrees. I must not have changed that low temperature. It's in the 20s. I apologize for that. There is a 20% chance of snow and rain as the day goes on. We talked about our PBIS expectations in the classroom this week. We talked about being safe, which means we stay in our own personal space and keep our hands and feet to ourselves. We use materials and equipment as instructed by our teacher. We are responsible, which means that we complete our work on time. We take what needs to go home every day in our backpacks. We ask for permission to leave the room, and we use voice level determined during champs. In order to be respectful, we follow classroom procedures and directions. We raise our hands for permission, and we use kind words and actions all of the time. Staff announcements. Thank you to students and staff for making our visitors so comfortable yesterday. Mrs. Murphy, Mrs. Brooks, and Superintendent Kane, along with Executive Director Woolman, were very pleased to see how well we were working as a cohesive unit, and they were very proud of the Voyagers. Monday, just as a reminder, is our last day to order yearbooks for this year. So please make sure you get those orders in. We have to hit a certain number in order to have them printed. So hopefully we get that number. Lunch today is a bagged lunch. Hopefully there are some crunchy baby carrots in that lunch. Monday, we're looking at a happy hamburger on a whole grain bun, mini sweet potato puffs, fruit cocktail, crunchy baby carrots, and your choice of milk. Our announcements today, just a reminder that today is a half day for students. Unfortunately, Miss Geeky's groups will not meet today. All right, so we do have a challenge question today, which is right there on my face. Today is December 7th. Why is today a day of infamy? The first student to get that answer right in the office will get $20 Voyager bucks. So here we go with the pledge. If you could please stand. All right, here we go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Those are all of our morning announcements this morning. As always, please make sure you're doing things the Voyager way, and go Voyagers!